Content has influence over all other marketing strategy. Today, content marketing is one of the best way to communicate with a sophisticated world. In fact, if you look around over the years, all the marketing strategy has been built around content. So it is well said that content is king. Hi friends, I'm Athira from Z Narrative, and today I'm here to give you 5 reasons why small business should invest in content marketing. Now, you as a small business owner may have many concerns like is content marketing worth for my business? Why should I invest in content marketing? And what about the budget? Or should I go for some paid ads? Let me tell you, through content marketing, small business has an advantage over large industry leaders because you can connect closely with your audience at a micro level. So here I have used a mind map to visually organize the content marketing strategies or basically the 5 reason why small business should invest in content marketing. So the first thing is to build your audience trust. So how do you build? You need to create a right content. You need to ensure that the content has a good quality and the content should be created focusing on your audience. And once the quality and the content is created, you also need to keep in mind that you need to have a consistent posting. There are different type of content, so you need to understand what is your audience looking for. Are they looking for some emails or they want a daily content or a weekly content? And ensure that you keep communicating with your audience through comments on the post, or you can keep asking some queries, questions, what they want. And you need to always have a consistent brand voice. You remember like Coca-Cola has been in the market for over a year, and you see that the brand is very consistent. Whenever you see the brand, that invokes a happiness in you. So that is what the brand voice is all about, and all the content needs to be shareable. This is one of the way that is you are able to build trust within your audience. Second is how you can improve your SEO. So these are the various type of content like blog post, infographics, product page, which you can use as a landing page when you do any advertisement. This is the best way to do your SEO. And blog post is always, you can always create an engaging series kind of a post, and that enables you to enhance your SEO. And the two basic trending kind of a content nowadays is list and how to guide. So list is basically a title which comes with a number, that is 5 tips or some 10 ways to do so and so things. So this is kind the list and how to guide. So people are looking for always instructive kind of a content. So these content enables you to improve your SEO, and you can keep checking out for the 20 keywords what is in the market, and keep updating your blog post. Now, the content marketing also helps you in establishing your brand. That is, you get a brand recognition. So, for that, you need to keep engaging in your social media platform. You need to ask for reviews, do some local participation. Maybe you can participate with some sports team so that your brand, local sports team basically, so that your brand is out in such way. And then everybody loves to have some free stuff, so ensure you give some goodies so that it stays in the home of your audience whom you interact on the daily basis. That means your brand is there at their home. And you can always give a discount referral program such that, for example, one of your friend is referring another friend and both gets a discount, so it's kind of a win-win situation for both of them. So that is a good way referral program. And everything will go in line when you have an outstanding customer service. So ensure that you have an amazing customer service, so that people, even though if there is any faulty thing, people will still write positive about your brand. Content marketing thus helps you to have a cost effective content. So when you create a blog, social media, or when you are in part of a discussion forum, you are interacting with the like minded people. So that is where you understand what are the feedbacks about a particular product. You give lot of ideas when you are in a discussion forum group, and that is which help you to craft your blog or your strategy when you are in such groups. And user generated content is now very much in trendy, and another trendy content which is very cost effective is behind the scene. So you show some insight about your brand, like how things are working in your organization, or how your brand is achieving that product, and that will really help to gain that trust. And the ultimate goal of all the content marketing is that you need to have an engaging customer which eventually buy your product, right? So these are some of the ways how you can, have you can create the content, and which these content can act as your lead magnet. So you can have some guide or cheat sheet which gives some tactical information, and that tactical information basically saves some time, right? So, and some toolkit or free trial which many software companies are giving, and some video trainings which entice your customer to come towards your brand. So basically, my final thought over here is content marketing helps to create a trustworthy long term relationship within your audience. And I cannot find any business that wouldn't benefit from content marketing. You just need to create a valuable content which doesn't cost a much. So I believe that content marketing is the present and future wave. Thank you.